Ever wondered how ready you are for a blackout? No? Well, let's change that. When it comes to preparedness, our minds often wander to the most catastrophic of disasters. But let's be honest, the likelihood of such calamities is often less than we imagine. That isn't to say we should ignore the possibility of larger disasters. They may be rare, but their impact can be colossal. However, it's equally crucial to ready ourselves for emergencies that are far more common and can strike at any time. Power outages, for example, are an everyday reality for many. These unexpected blackouts can throw our lives into disarray, especially when they strike at the most inconvenient times. Imagine being home alone or having your children or elderly family members at home, and suddenly the lights go out. It can be disconcerting to say the least. But what if you had a blackout kit handy? A life-saving toolbox that houses everything you'd need to navigate through a power outage. A well-assembled blackout kit can be a game changer. It's not just about having a bunch of flashlights and candles, though they are essential. It's about having a thoughtfully curated collection of tools and items that can help you weather the storm, quite literally at times. A well-planned blackout kit is easy to access, even if you're not at home. It allows your family members to find everything they need without having to rummage through the entire house. It's portable, so you can grab it and go if you need to evacuate or bug out. And importantly, it keeps everything organized in one place. Some items in the kit may not be solely for a blackout situation, but they are there because you want to keep them organized and not lose them. So now that we've established the importance of a blackout kit, what goes into one? What are the essential items that this life-saving toolbox should contain? Now that we understand why we need a blackout kit, let's dive into the contents of this life-saving toolbox. Let's start with the toolbox, the heart of our blackout kit. This particular one is a husky toolbox, about 2 feet long and 9 inches wide. The reason this one was chosen is simple. It's spacious enough to accommodate our battery and more. But remember, this is just one of many options. The size and style of your toolbox should be tailored to your specific needs and budget. Maybe you need a smaller toolbox, or perhaps a storage container would work better. The key here is to find something that can neatly and efficiently hold all your essential items. Why is this important? Organization. In times of blackout, you want to be able to find what you need quickly and without fuss. So invest some thought into the selection of your toolbox. Remember, the toolbox is your foundation. Choose wisely. Now let's talk about the powerhouse of our kit, the battery. This is more than just a box of stored energy. It's your lifeline when the lights go out. This battery is designed to be user-friendly, with simple positive and negative connections. No need for a degree in electrical engineering to get this baby up and running. The battery also features a helpful on and off switch, ensuring you're only using power when you need it. It's equipped with 2 USB ports, perfect for charging your essential electronics like your phone or a portable radio. And it even has a battery charge indicator, so you can always keep an eye on your energy reserves. And for those old school folks among us, there's a cigarette lighter port. While it may seem outdated, it can be a real lifesaver for powering certain devices, or even starting a fire when you're in a pinch. The battery is the heart of your kit, providing power when you need it most. We've got power, but how do we keep it charged? Enter the charging port. This is the lifeline of your blackout kit. It's the point of contact between your battery and the world of electricity. But how do we use it? Well, it's as simple as positive meets positive and negative meets negative. The charging port connects directly to the battery, making it an essential component of your kit. Now you might be thinking, but what if the power is out? How can I charge then? Well, that's where preparation comes into play. Ideally, you'd keep your battery charged and ready to go. But if you find yourself in a pinch, there are alternatives. Solar chargers, for instance, can provide a lifeline when traditional power sources are unavailable. Remember, a battery without a charge is like a car without gas. It might look impressive, but it's not going to get you very far. The charging port is your battery's lifeline, ensuring you always have power in a blackout. If you're looking for an alternative to the battery and charging port setup, consider a power station. This is a nifty device that serves as a portable power source, which is very handy during blackouts. It's compact, easy to use, and packs a powerful punch in terms of capacity. Take, for example, the Bog RV power station. It's an efficient piece of kit that boasts a capacity of 240 watt-hours and an output of 410 watts. This means it can keep your essential devices running for an extended period during a power outage. You can charge your phones, power your lights, and even run a small fridge for a short while. The beauty of a power station is that it's plug and play. No complicated wiring or setup is needed. It's a straightforward solution that keeps you prepared for power emergencies. A power station is a compact, efficient alternative to a traditional battery, providing reliable power during blackouts. The power source is sorted. Now let's add some more essentials to our blackout kit. Preparing for a blackout requires us to think beyond just the absence of light. It's about ensuring we have the tools to navigate our environment safely, maintain communication, and preserve our well-being. Firstly, let's talk about a reliable source of light. You might be thinking, I've got my phone's flashlight. But remember, in a blackout, conserving your phone's battery is crucial. So, having a dedicated source of light like a flashlight or a headlamp is a must. And don't forget the extra batteries. Next up, we have a portable radio. Why a radio, you ask? Well, in a blackout, your Wi-Fi will likely be down, and your phone's data could be unreliable. A battery-operated or hand-crank radio can keep you updated with news and emergency broadcasts. It's old school, but it's effective. Then we need a way to charge our phones. A solar charger or a power bank can be lifesavers, letting you make emergency calls or receive important updates. Just remember to keep these charged and ready to go. Also, let's not forget about our basic human needs. Non-perishable food and water are essentials in any emergency situation. You might not be able to cook or refrigerate food, so having a stock of canned goods and bottled water is a smart move. Lastly, a first aid kit. Accidents can happen, especially in the dark. Having a first aid kit on hand means you're prepared to handle minor injuries and ailments. Remember, the purpose of a blackout kit isn't to replace your everyday items, but to supplement them. It's about having everything you need in one place, ready to grab and use when the lights go out. Each item in your blackout kit has a specific purpose, making it a complete survival package. Let's start with essential item number 1. Can you guess what it is? It's a good, reliable flashlight. A flashlight is your most immediate source of light when the power's out. It's portable, easy to use, and can help you navigate through the darkness. It's important to choose one that's durable and made to last, with LED bulbs that are energy efficient and long-lasting. But let's not forget, a flashlight is only as good as the batteries powering it. Always keep a stash of extra batteries and check the condition of these batteries regularly. Remember, batteries have a shelf life and you don't want to be caught in a blackout with depleted batteries. A solar-powered or crank flashlight can be a good backup option too. It doesn't rely on batteries and can be a lifesaver if you've run out of spare ones. This is why a flashlight is essential item number 1 in your blackout kit. Remember, every item in your kit is there for a reason. Make sure you know how to use it. Moving on to essential item number 2. The second must-have for your blackout kit is a portable radio. Now, you might be thinking, a radio in the age of smartphones? But hear me out. During a blackout, your smartphone may not be as reliable as you'd like. A portable radio, on the other hand, can keep you connected to the world, providing vital news and updates. This isn't just your average music station. Emergency broadcasts, weather alerts, and other crucial information are regularly aired on certain radio frequencies. So if the power's out and your phone's not getting signal, a battery-operated or hand-crank radio can be your lifeline. Choose a model that's compact, durable, and easy to use. Some even come with built-in flashlights or USB ports to charge your devices. And there you have it. Your blackout kit is now complete. Remember, preparation is key.